politics in general, corruption, false promises. Yo, step up, let me tell you the news. Leaders talk big, but they tighten the screws. Manifestos glowing like a neon sign, but after elections, it's never mine. Shake hands, fake plans, big scams, news jam. Smiling on the mic, but they don't give a damn. Promises flying like a rocket to Mars, but the poor still struggling, counting the scars. 5 years gone, same old show. New coat of paint, but the rust won't go. Price hike here, tax hike there. Middle class gasping for a breath of fresh air. Sap changa, see, they keep on saying. Meanwhile, the youth still out here praying. Jobs, nah, roads, nah, but a statue taller than your ma. Click, click, snap, snap, social feed fame. Selfies at a flood, but who's to blame? Wi-Fi in parks, but no books in school. Keep them distracted, that's the rule. So here's my rap, take it or leave. Politics is magic, tricks up the sleeve. Laugh, cry, but don't be blind. Wake up, people, don't fall behind.